Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to Sewing is Fun. So today I'm going to show you how to make this cute top. So let's quickly get started. So I'm making it for double XL size, and for that I'm taking here 2 meters of fabric. This is a pure cotton fabric. So fold it from the middle, and from the folded side mark half of your shoulder. I'm marking here 7 inches. Now from that point mark half of your armhole. Here I'm marking 8.25 inches, and now join these points, make a corner, and now onto this line you need to mark fourth part of your bust, adding 2 inches for seam allowances. So here I'm marking 9.5 inches. Now draw a curve to make your armhole. Now from the top mark 15 inches downward, and onto this line you need to mark fourth part of your waist, adding 2 inches for seam allowances. Now join these 2 points. Now mark the total length of your top. So here the ready length of my top is 27 inches. So 2 inches extra I am taking here for hemming purpose. So total 29 inches I am taking here. So mark it, make a straight line. Now we need to join these points by giving a slanting line. Now here leave 1 inch extra for stitching purpose. Mark the points, join them, and towards the bottom side I am going to give a curve. So mark 1.5 inches upward, give a curve like this. Now here mark 1 inch depth neckline and 1 inch shoulder drop. So here's our back pattern is ready. Now cut on the markings. You can make your back neck more deeper also. It's purely your choice. Now let's make the front part. So first we need to trace the back pattern onto a paper, because we need a paper cutting pattern for the front part, as we need to make a yoke pattern. So first trace the back pattern onto a paper till the waistline only, and then cut on the markings. Now we need to put this tracing towards the folded side of the fabric, but before that mark the yoke length. So total I am taking here 6 inches longer yoke, and mark the neckline. You can take 4 to 5 inches deeper your neckline. Now cut this out. So this is the top part we'll need. So put this towards the folded side of the fabric, pin it, and now first trace the pattern, leaving around half inches towards the bottom side. Mark it, give a straight line. Now cut this out very carefully. Now mark the neckline, give a round neck, and cut this out. So this is the yoke pattern ready, and now we need to work on the bottom part of the front side. So put your yoke pattern onto the back part, and now set it towards the folded side of the fabric in this way, overlapping around half inches. You can see that. And now just cut your fabric. We just need rough measurements, so don't need to trace anything. just cut roughly. And now we need to give pintucks here first. So I'm giving just ½ inch difference pintucks because they are really very small. So just mark ½ inch here. Total I'm going to give 13 pintucks. So 6 on both the sides you need to mark, leaving around ½ inches. Towards the back side also you need to do the same thing. The length of my pintuck is 4 inches according to the pattern, but you can extend this if you want. So mark 6 points and now join these points with the help of ruler. I'm showing you the exact pattern of the top. You can always do modifications according to your needs. Now trace the middle point. Now start giving the pintucks. Whenever you are using a plain fabric, these pintuck works always give your outfit a beautiful look. You'll never feel that it's really very plain and simple because of these pintuck work. See how beautiful it's looking. You just need to hold these onto the lines. Now pintucks are ready. Now just fold your fabric from the middle and put your back pattern. Adjust it accordingly. Now from the top, just put your pattern for the reference, and you can overlap it around ½ inch and trace the back pattern, or you can leave ½ inch extra towards the top side, as you can see how I am marking just to show you. So this is the yoke pattern and I'm leaving around ½ inch extra for stitching purpose and tracing the rest of the back pattern in the same way as it is. So here you can see I left ½ inch extra on the top side, and now remove the back pattern and you need to cut this out on the tracings. So just pin it, set the fabric and cut this out. After cutting, your front part will look like this. Now we need to join both the pieces together. Put both the patterns right on right and you need to give a stitch to join it. First pin it and sew it. You can also give overlock stitches here. So now our front part is ready. You can see how beautiful it's looking. Exactly the same as you can see in the pattern. Now fold it towards the wrong side and now mark your front armhole a little bit deeper and cut this out. So here's my front and back sides are ready. You can see it's looking exactly the same. This tutorial is getting too longer, so I have to divide it in 2 parts. In the next part, I'm going to show you how I made this cute frilled pockets and the frilled sleeves. So stay tuned, I'll be right back with the second part. See you in the next video.